Hey everyone. I just want to thank God for helping me finish my dream. He knows the end in the beginning, and He gave me endurance to persevere when the doubt of ever finishing would try to overwhelm me. I just wanted to show some videos of me finishing the house, some stuff that I had stored on my phone. I wanted to make a video montage to bring closure to the fact that I did finish my house. And these are the videos and photos that I have to show in kind of a chronological order how a lot of things came together and the hard work that was put into it. Here's my countertops, bestie. So these ones are done. It's kind of glassy looking. I think they're dry. Yeah, they're dry. Whew, I'm scared to touch stuff like this because if it's not dry, it'll leave a fingerprint. And this is number 2. And number 3. So just wanted to give you, I keep talking about these countertops and I gotta show them to you. Okay. Hi. So I normally don't hold my phone when I'm working, and that's why I don't really send videos, but this is what I've got done so far. So I have 3.5 more rows. Jazzy was over here playing in the mud. 3.5 more rows. I just got back from the house where I took a break. This is round 2. You will hear me talking to my bestie a lot because some of these videos were how I communicated with her on Snapchat, and I'm just adding them in here because they show a lot of them show a good timeline and how I was feeling in the moment. So, where have I been? I've been taking time for myself. I've been healing mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. I was taking time to work on myself and my relationship with God and my relationship with others. This video is showing the final details of how everything came together and how I decorated after all this cleaning. Hey bestie, I just wanted to show you what I was doing today. So I got all the touch-up paint done. I hung my curtains. And the 2 on the outside are the wrong length, but I love them so much. That's gonna be hidden behind my couch. But yeah, so the living room is done, except I didn't paint the ceiling yet. And I know I haven't painted the ceiling. I know. It's just like, we're so far gone now. I don't even know if that's something that I would want to go back and do. Here's a proper look. I didn't put my things in yet, but here's a proper look at what I was doing yesterday. I don't have the lights cut on. That's all the plastic for my couches because I'm planning on covering it back up. Because I still have all this side to do. See all this junk? And so most of this is going to be going outside today on the trailer that Jason went and got last night and put back. So, clean, dirty. I'm about to cover this with plastic though so that it stays clean. And I found a video that I drew out on my tablet of how I kind of wanted the house to look. And when I compared it to how I decorated, I absolutely love the way it turned out. So, ta-da! This is my work in progress. This is the final results of the living area of the house. So this is the living room. And that's the dining room over there, making your way into the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. I wanted a white kitchen and just wanted the white kitchen. It giving me all the vibes that I wanted. I appreciate all the help that I got with this house. Now that it's done and I'm watching it on this camera, it looks really nice. I'm thankful. This is the den. This is kind of like the movie area, lounge area, family gathering place. Here's some backup images of how it used to look, and this is what my laundry room started out as I was working on it. I'm still not finished with the laundry room, but you'll see right now it's a laundry room / mudroom. So everything's in there. And everything I need is where I need it to be, but I'm gonna have to figure out another way to organize everything. But you know what? It works. And I haven't finished that little sink area right there, but it works. So can't ask for anything better. Did I clean this mirror? No. But I just wanted to say bye. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.